Hey there, Saber friends. Space Windu here from Civilized Sabers. I've got a very special blade to show you today. This one is a tristar. It is special because it's going to Jeff at the Graflex shop. Civilized Sabers is partnering up with the Graflex shop, so you will soon be able to buy a tristar blade at the Graflex shop. A tristar blade is a 3-strip blade. It doesn't just have 2 strips like every other blade out there. We've actually got 3 strips in a triangle formation. This allows us to put even more LEDs inside the lightsaber blade. You get about 350 LED RGB pixels inside a tristar on the 3 strips. That's about a 32-inch blade. If you wanted a longer blade, there would be even more LEDs inside. All right, enough talk. Let's go ahead and check out what the tristar looks like in a Graflex lightsaber. Wow, that is super bright. Let's take a close look at the tip because that's super important. You get a nice look all around the entire blade. I am wearing the glove because I have sanded this blade down to a nice satin finish, which is another layer of the diffusion that we like to use. We use heat shrink diffusion. We use a nylon tube from the custom saber shop underneath this blade tube, and underneath that we have the Saber Armory foam that goes over the LED assembly. The LED assembly is made up of 350 LEDs on 3 strips. You can take a close look at it here. Swing it around a bit and test this before I send it over to the Graflex shop to Jeff. Let's see here. Check out some blaster bolts. Check out some other colors here. Ooh, that purple's nice. I like this type of pink purple. Probably better. That is just blazing. If you wanted to see some tests about the tristar compared to other blades, you can check out the Collector's Outpost channel, and I will leave a link in the description to some of his videos where he's testing the tristar. John is also testing the runtime of a tristar in his video, so if you want to see that, I will leave those links. Check out the description. Alright, in the meantime, let's see some more colors. Oh, nice bronze. This is a good one. This is like a reddish, red-orange. Look at the tip on that one. Super even. We are testing here on my Crystal Focus 10 Vader's Vault Graflex style lightsaber. It is using an 18650 battery, which is kind of like the standard across the saber world. It's about what everybody's using. I think John from the Collector's Outpost does his tests with sabers that have an 18650. It's very common. That flash looks awesome. Blaster bolts are like super visible on this reddish color. Wow. Ooh, this is a nice whitish color. This will reveal any bad points in the blade, but other than it being pretty hard to look at, I can't really see anything wrong with this blade. Ooh, it's nice green. All right, well, I'm gonna continue testing this blade, and I'm gonna send it out to Jeff at the Graflex shop. Keep an eye out on the Graflex shop. You might see TriStars there pretty soon. We're trying to work out how we can get them on the Graflex shop, as well as Civilized Sabers. So you might be able to get a TriStar from places other than Civilized Sabers, made by Civilized Sabers. Keep an eye out. And visit the Graflex shop for all your Graflex needs. The Graflex is the first lightsaber. If you want to learn more about custom lightsabers in general, go to FX-Sabers forum. I'll leave a link in the description. I've been a member there for probably 15 years. It's a really awesome place to learn about how to make your own lightsaber, learn all about lightsabers. The Rebel Armory is another forum that I visit as well, and we'll leave a link to those forums if you're interested in going deeper into the saber world. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, push that thumbs up button. It really helps the channel. And stop by here for more saber videos like this. And I look forward to talking with you in the next one.